in mole concept they said that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power of 23 atoms of a particular substance. Now if the atom is light, like say in case of hydrogen, in 1 mole a large number of hydrogen atoms will come. Right? Just like in Zeera, 1 kilogram had large number of Zeera grains. And if it is a heavy element, like say uranium, or as compared to hydrogen, even oxygen is 16 times heavier. So in that case, the number of oxygen atoms in 1 mole will be much less. So imagine a balance. On one side there is 1 kilogram of apples or mango, on the other side there is 1 kilogram of, okay, Zeera is too small, I know. Then grapes, and just compare the numbers, but weight is same. So this is how this concept was utilized, and the number that mole gives us was called Avogadro's number. Now if a given mass, if we want to denote a given mass of an element, this will be denoted as capital M, and the molecular mass will be small m. The number of moles will be capital N, number of given particles number of moles will be small n, number of given particles will be capital N, and Avogadro number will be N0. We can know both number as well as weight by mass by this method. So we can, and what we do is we only change the unit, otherwise it remains same. For example, in case of oxygen, it is 16 and the mass would be, molecular mass is 16 grams. The number is 16 and mass is 16 grams. Hydrogen, mass is 1 gram and the number is 1. So if we are given a certain mass of an element, say for example we have been given 52 grams of helium. So 52 grams of helium, and the molecular mass of helium is 4. So that means 52 grams of helium contains how many moles? 13. So number of moles can be calculated by dividing given mass with molecular mass. Another way can be that we can divide given number of particles by Avogadro number. For example, if the Avogadro number is say 12.044 raised into 10 raised to the power of 23, and Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power of 23, then the number of moles will be 2. So by using these formulae we can calculate the number of moles. Now when we explain Zn plus I2 to form zinc iodide, what we are saying? That 1 atom of zinc plus 2 atoms of iodine form 1 molecule of zinc iodide. Or we can say 1 atom of zinc and 1 molecule of iodine forms 1 molecule of zinc iodide. Plus 1 molecule of iodine gives 1 molecule of zinc iodide. Or if we take the case of hydrogen and oxygen forming water, here what we can see, 2 molecules of hydrogen plus 1 molecule of oxygen gives us 2 molecules of water. Or in case of molecular mass, this means 2 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 16 for 1 oxygen atom, 32, it gives us 36 mu of water.